All right, good morning. Let's make my bed. All right, guys, so first thing, I'll take off all the pillows and then I'm just going to pull all the blankets and sheets off, and then I start to pull the fitted sheet and straighten it out. Next, I just put all the covers, quilt, and duvet, everything. I put everything nice and straight back on the bed. I just try to put everything back on the bed. And then I'm going to pull it back halfway down the bed. Next, I'll start putting the pillows back on the bed. I'll start with the standard size pillows and then I put the bigger ones. I think these ones are 26 inches by 26, the black ones. You just put them straight and then you could like puff it out or like, I don't know, like squeeze it a little bit to put that deep in the middle. I think it looks nice. And then the finishing touch here is basically just putting this weighted blanket. Like I don't actually use it because I sleep too warm, so I need to sleep cool, and the weighted blankets are basically not for me because they just make me too hot. So I just use them just on the foot of the bed, and it just gives a little of a fuller look on the bed. So that's basically the use of that. If you want to make it look kind of nicer, you can tuck everything in on the sides, like at the bottom of the bed right there. You can tuck the comforter, you can tuck it in, and it's just going to have like a cleaner look.